Hey everybody, it's Mr. Domestic here for a quick quilting tutorial. Yay! So come join me so we can spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. This video is all about chain piecing. It's gonna take like a couple of minutes to show and explain, but essentially like look at this block, right? This is an awesome block from Emily Dennis's new book that I'm doing, and there's some chain piecing in it. This right here, see? This right here, like there's like a bajillion of these that I have to do for the quilt. And so essentially I'm going to repeat the same thing over and over and over again, sewing all of these little corner pieces at a time, and it cuts down so much time for efficiency, and it's super duper awesome. And I wanted to share it with y'all in case y'all don't know about chain piecing, because when I learned it, mind blown. So come over to Felicia now, and I'm gonna show you how to chain piece like a boss. What? Okay, first up, these are all of the things that I've cut out. These are like a million of these, a million of these. I strip piece this, which is a totally different video, and this needs to be attached to this probably at least 1,000 times. So now that I have these all prepared, I'm going to chain piece. Dun, 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 right there. Let's get going. Okay, so I have my 1/4" foot on Felicia. I have these two ready to go, and I am just going to chain piece. First thing I'm going to do, this is called a leader, because it leads everything. And this will keep the thread from getting caught up into there. And now I'm gonna chain piece. I'm just gonna run through a couple of these just so that you can see. See? I'm not cutting the thread, not doing anything. And then it's this right here. Dun, 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 another one. And I'll do one more in real time just because, like, I don't know. I don't want this video to be only like 3 minutes, so maybe 4. But after this one, I'm gonna fast forward so you can see me chain piecing and fast forward because fast forward is fun. And then I'll see you on the other side. So chain piecing, yay! Like legit, I did all of them in like 7 minutes, real time, that's all it took. And like, I did them all. I'm so glad that I was videoing this because I probably wouldn't have done them all, but like, look, now it looks like a bunting, 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 bunting. And all of these are done in a chain. And I'm not gonna trim them yet because I've found that taking these, because I have to press them, right? Taking them over in the chain and then ironing them and then snipping them, that's another place for efficiency and another place that you can benefit from chain piecing. So hope this helped. My plan is to do a beginner series for quilting and tips. So if you're a beginner or a veteran and you know of any tips that you want to learn about, or if you know of any tips that you've learned that are super duper awesome that I should share with y'all, then let me know. And if you enjoyed this, got a tip, I shared one, hopefully you dug it, or laughed at me, or whatever, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.